Riwruok moro mar jood bura mar rowere mawuok e Azimio kod Kenya Kwanza mong'ere kaka ground team oseyo piny owacho kuom uso ne jopur mbolea mabandia. Riwruogno moting'o jaod bura ma Embakasi East Babu Owino, Gathoni wa Mushomba ma Githunguri, Caleb Hamisi ma Saboti, Amos Mwago ma Starehe kod Mark Mwenje onyiso piny owacho mondo mak joma itudo kod wach makamano mapiyo kaka nyalore. Bende ne gichayo jatend migawo mar thieth Susan Nakhumicha kuom mako wach lakteche ma wethweth ka gibuogo mar chwalo paro mar thiche e apisi. Riwruok mar ground team osingo mar luoro pacho kae mangima kendo loso kod jopiny kaachiel gi keto piny owacho tesre.
Case poo mixed with stones and it is being sold as subsidized fertilizer. We must call out this mess. The government has become so insensitive to the extent that now they are conning farmers. This is something that we want to see serious arrests. We want to know who is behind this scam. We want to know where did the fertilizer that was supposed to be real fertilizer go, and who is behind this serious, massive scam.
There was a CBA, a collective bargain agreement that was signed between the government and the doctors. And it entailed, number one, that the doctors be paid their arrears owned by the government. Up to now, the doctors in this country are owned some money by the government. Number two, that the interns be deployed. For the past 1 year, doctors who have taken 6 years to train, and every year a doctor is trained with an average of around 600,000 Kenya shillings, which comes to around 3.6 million Kenya shillings. Then, after finishing your degree, you are not deployed anywhere. That is so wrong, and this is the first time this government, Ruto's government, is doing this. Number three, that the interns who have been deployed, who are employed already, the government has decided to deduct 91% of their salaries. We want the government to move with speed and pay these doctors these amounts of money.
We need to have a health service commission that will take care of the overall